Do you fire your customers? Not the ones you love, but the ones who suck up your time and moan about you at the same time. If you truly understand your core customer, and your current book of customers is not comprised of at least 80 to 90% core customers, then you need to think about losing some of your non-core customers. This probably sounds scary, but you don't have to fire them all at once. Here's how I recommend going about it. First of all, collect all the data you have about your customers, their revenue, cost of service, cost of goods, and rank them from most profitable to least profitable. Then add in the cost of sale for each customer and rank them again from most profitable to least profitable. If you don't know the real cost of sale, and most companies don't, just approximate it by multiplying the number of hours it took to get the sale across the line with the hourly cost of sales resources. You'll probably find that some of these customer accounts have gone into the red, so you're actually paying to service unprofitable customers. So then put a mark against all the customers who are most hassle or just difficult to deal with, the ones who suck up your service or support time or just complain all the time. You now have a list of unprofitable and difficult customers. So what's next? It's now time for some real conversations with that list of customers. They're unprofitable and they suck up your time. Maybe you go to them and tell them you will not be working with them from now on. Maybe you tell them they're not profitable to you and you need to raise your fees or charges. Most reasonable people will have a reasonable response to a reasonable conversation, and you'll come to an agreement, but if not, they've just confirmed that they're not the customers you want in your current portfolio. This might not always be an easy path to take, but if you've gone through this process, you'll have the data to support your actions, even if they might be difficult. But isn't that why we're in business? Sometimes we need to take tough decisions, and if we don't, we're not doing the right thing by the business and the people who are in business with you. I've taken many clients through this process and not one has ever said, I really wished we delayed committing to our core customer. Not one, ever. As someone once said, the easiest way to make more money in business is to stop losing money. Find out where you're losing money with non-optimal customers, unprofitable customers, and you'll start to see your profits increase significantly. Yes, your revenue might dip briefly, but as they say, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but cash is king. If you are ready to start dealing with non-optimal clients and you want support navigating this process, I can help you. Get in touch. jed@crystallizer.com. That is Crystallizer, Crystallyzer, or you can contact me on my website, www.crystallizer.com.